Hello everyone, so I have the June Your Creative Studio box, and I see the word flower, they have that there. So I'm going to go ahead and pull everything out of the box, which is easier said than done. And this is the beautiful card. I love this light blue and the orange peachy colors. Oh wow, this is beautiful. The flowers are nature's jewels, with whose wealth she decks her summer beauty. George, is it Corelli? I'm not sure. It's a little hard to read the name. But the colors are vivid and beautiful with the flowers. That looks like an art piece by itself. Alright, let's slide things out of the tissue paper. Make sure I got it all. Yep. Set that aside, and what do we have on top here? Retro life. I can't read all the rest of it. Let life be beautiful like summer flowers. Life then and light off time and time again. I have no idea what that's saying, but and in fact I'm gonna get some help opening that. I don't know if you can see that, if that's gonna focus enough, but there's lots of information on the back there. Visual information, that is. Alright, we have a nice box. This is interesting. This is probably for hanging in a store, but I don't know. I feel like that could make an interesting element in a journal. Oops. Right now, look what I did. I'm going to scoot this aside just a bit. Now that I pulled that out, I've got things caught. There we go. So I am thinking these are stickers. Oh, look at that one. It's like a bow. Cool. Kind of just want to almost put one on something right now. So they've got like an acetate backer, and they're probably like this kind of washy material. It's got a translucent quality to it, but this is semi-opaque. I mean, so, whoops, I dropped it. It's trying to get away. Lots of different vintage advertising. Ooh, that's like part of a map. I love the color on that. Beautiful butterfly. More pieces of map. And what's this? Just a card. Okay, that, I don't know, maybe was for stabilizing. Lots of them. I can't even count how many there are. And then we have some paper ephemera. What am I, all butterfingers today? This looks like a vellum, but I do not believe it is adhesive. So some vellum sheets. These are so cool. And then we have some paper sheets as well. That was all that came in here. So lots of stuff. Set that aside. And here's another package that needs to be opened. Post box, it says. Cute little box. Oh. It's like a book in a box. This feels tacky right here. Maybe it just got extra tackiness, but this is really interesting. I haven't seen anything like this. It says retro stamps, and you know, if you've watched any of my other videos, that I love the postage stamps. Let's just pull one off here. So it seems to be lightly glued. It's not great right there into a little booklet, but oh, those make great little journals and things if you want to take it apart. Ooh, I like that one. These are cool. It's fairly large. I mean, what is that, 2 by 2? I'm not sure exactly. There's citron. We've got fruit and flowers and a nice box. Now, get out of there. Let's see. So it's a sticker backer paper, and then it's kind of a vellum or more washy material. So it has somewhat of a translucent quality there. Let's see if I can show you. Or put it right on there. So you can kind of see the background coming through. But it's not transparent. So a whole booklet of that. That's fun and easy to store. You know, you're not going to lose them. They all stay together in the booklet. What do we have here? Some tiny ephemera here. Something retro labels, it says. Now we often get labels, but these look like they're different and unique. I like that card that's in there. It's a nice thick material. This would be great using in a journal as a tag, and I like that it has a different unique shape there. So lots of potential with that little piece of packaging. And I'm not sure how I feel about the shiny gilding. I like it, just the look of it, but it's a little bit less vintage than, you know, the usual thing. Purchase ticket. Are these stickers? Let me see here. Oh, indeed they are. So I thought they were just paper ephemera, but no, these are an opaque sticker. You can kind of see that there. So I'm assuming they all are. These are cool, but it is very shiny, so that is a look. Oh, look at this one. Looks like a train, and in a unique shape. Oh, that would be cool in a journal, a travel journal. So if you have something you want to add a little bling to, not all of them have shiny, so that one doesn't have shiny. Jack Wills, this is just a tiny bit of shiny. Ooh, that one is bright. Can you see it reflecting my lights? That one's does not and does not. So a lot of them have some shininess. Let's take these and scoot them over. So stickers, stickers, stickers so far, and some paper ephemera. We have a stamp. We're gonna do those and stamp them out in a minute. And then masking tape or washi. Ooh, I like this envelope. I will definitely reuse that. I like the shape there. Look how cute that is. Ooh, this is a nice washi. It's simple, but I love the color. And let me see if I can show you the detail on this. So it's got a nice layered detail. I don't know if you can see that, and I love the way almost the vintage distressing on those flowers, but it looks like it just repeats. So yeah, I like that, the two colors, the yellowish and that beautiful red. It looks really nice together. Set that aside here. What is this? Are these more stickers? I have no idea. Ooh, we have a vellum envelope in there, it looks like. This is substantial. I love this too. This is really pretty. I might use that as a bag topper or even a page topper, and maybe I'd cover up this script in the back, but that's cool. Saving that. And yeah, it's heavy. Oh, and this must be printed onto the envelope. I wonder if these are tags. So here's the envelope. It says Autumn Orchid Fragrance, and then it has a rose. Those words don't seem to go together to me so much, but some script and some flowers, kind of a paper. This, it has a bit of an odor. And yes, it's another sticker. It's like the sticker box. This is a thick sticker though. I don't know if you can tell. This is substantial, which I like that. I mean, it's not going to tear on you, and it's great in the right place, you know. It's going to make a light page thicker, you know. So let's just flip through these. Ooh, I like that. It has like an embossing look, or you know, raised embossing look to it there. This make a nice label or place to write, journaling spot. Beautiful. You know, I just love flowers and nature, all those things. That's really interesting. I'm not sure what the embossed imagery is behind, but there's a lot going on there. But I do love the postcard part. Oh, this is cute, how it looks like it's coming out from behind. Ooh, I love this one. Whoops. Love the roses. They're almost dried. Right there, dried. And finally, this one. So that's why it was so heavy. These are thick. Yeah. That's a cool, another set of stickers. And what do we have here? This must be, these are like the themed pieces that go with the washi. Let's see, there's 2 more stickers and then another thing. We've got tons of stuff. Love these stickers. These are the transparent ones that are just clear. You can see right through them. She does it really good, whoever designs this. Really good designs there. And then, ooh, I love these too. These are like photorealistic stickers. Look at those clovers. They're so cute. I sometimes hoard them a little bit, but they're just great. And I made, if you haven't seen my journal cards videos, I'll put an iCard to those up in the corner because I did use some similar pieces, some of these stickers in journaling cards that I made. Let's see, let's go with this one. I'm all over the place, aren't I? I know I've said in other boxes, it seems like there's a ton of stuff in here, but this is really a full box, although it is heavy on the stickers, but I like stickers. I love stickers, really. This is a beautiful card. I would reuse that too. And then, what do we have? Just paper ephemera here. It's not quite tag weight. It is thicker than paper, though. These are nice. These would be easy to make a tuck spot in a journal, and you could use it just like this, you know, and just glue the top part and tuck things under, or you can embellish it further. So these are great. Definitely using those. And because it's got a little bit more weight than, say, paper, it can be used like that as a tuck spot. If it was just lightweight paperweight, it wouldn't really hold anything. But especially if you embellish it, it'll be even stronger. Some nice leaves here. Flowers. Ooh, look at these colors. Beautiful printing, whoever does the printing. It's just very lovely, vivid colors. That's an interesting piece. I like that. I like the polka dots. I like the distressed look. Nice label. Here's a tag, instant tag. You can gussy it up further if you want, or you can leave it as is. Some more leaves. I could make cards with these, just simple spring, summer, floral cards. These are great focal points on a journal page, or on the front of a journal, or on a card. So lots of ways to use that. And here we have our wreath too. Burying myself under journaling ephemera. And then I'm guessing that this is more tissue paper. Seems like, yeah, I keep saying that. There's probably 6 sheets or 5 sheets, I'm not sure. And I will try to get one out. Because, there we go. Ooh, it's beautiful. And it's, you know, easy to tear. Easy to use decoupage. You can dress something up with that. Use it in cards. Use it in journaling. Love that. You can, whoops, I'm getting attached to that. Selectively cut out elements of it, or this would make a great like card or the side of a journal page. Just cutting out this part and adding that on. And then you can use all this other stuff in something else. Another, let's see what we have here. Oh, this feels like the paperweight ephemera. Paper ephemera. Oh, well, this one is, yeah, it's vellum. Okay. And then we have some, oh, so it's like a combination of paper, or lightweight paper. Is this one heavier? Oh, that's really interesting. So we have like a not quite tag weight, but a heavier weight paper, and then a lightweight paper, almost like a stationary weight, and a vellum. Look at that. And they're 3 of the same. That is cool. I don't think I've seen that before. I wonder if all the patterns have the 3 of them. Let us see. Lightweight paper, tag-ish weight, heavier weight. I got a bonus one on that one. So there's 2 like paper ones, and then a thicker one, and vellum. It seems to be repeating. This one. Yeah, that's really cool. See, you can have the same design in a variety of weights. I love that they did that this time. This one has 3 of the lightweight paperweight. Maybe that's just an accidental extra, or maybe it's, you know, extra for that size. That is so cool. Anyway, yeah. Ooh, look at that one. You could stamp a sentiment here. You know, this is a card already done. And you put, maybe emboss a sentiment right there. Yeah. Or even as the front of your journal. This could be the title of the journal or a nameplate too. That's cool. And this one must go with something else. Wow, I wasn't expecting to have the 3 different weights and styles of paper. That's cool. I keep saying the same thing. That's cool. Sorry about that. And what do we have here? Is this, oh look, acetate. And let me see. Oh my. See, you never know around here. These, I think it's adhesive. Wow, that's a sticker. Oh, and look at that, my fingerprints are on it. Well, be careful about that. Yeah, I'm not sure how I'll use this. If I feel like I could cut out the different sections, get in frame here, and use them separately, or, you know, it's nice as it is too. What am I thinking of? What's the name of that? Dashboard. Oh my goodness, it just came to me. A dashboard in one of those things. Oh, that's the word. This is a very lightweight paper. Not tissue paper, but very lightweight. But look at that cool printing. So it looks like you just get the one of the really cool giant adhesive, you know, acetate sticker, and then lots of these cool letter type papers in that lightweight paper. Like lighter than copy weight, I say. Copy paper. Ah! Okay, it's time. You've been waiting, I know, for the stamps. I'm excited because I see flowers, and we'll pull them out and then we'll stamp them. Oh, look at that. We got 3 in here, and a nice large one here that could be used for coloring too. All right, let me go stamp it. So here is how they stamped out. Let me get a little closer here. And on the large one, I did miss just a smidgen of the leaf, but I think that's okay. This one will be really nice to even selectively color in, maybe just portions of it. And then there's just, this one is great for mixed media, and it's just a nice addition like at the bottom of your journal page. So these are really nice stamps. I like them. I think they're very versatile. Thanks again for looking at the box contents. This is an exciting box. It never disappoints, and definitely not this month. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe and the notification bell to see more videos from me. Thanks again for watching, and have a wonderful creative day. Bye!